If you're seeing a Slack error 404, don't worry. In many cases, this is a temporary issue that can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest steps to troubleshoot it, from waiting out a rate limit to checking your connection and switching networks. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to wait 30 to 60 seconds. A Slack error 404 can sometimes appear when a request limit has been reached or the server needs a moment to reset. If you've been clicking too fast, sending too many requests, or repeatedly refreshing, give Slack a short break and then try again. This alone often resolves the issue. Next, reduce your request frequency. If you're working in Slack, avoid spamming messages, repeated searches, or rapid API calls. When too many actions happen in a short period of time, Slack may temporarily reject requests or fail to load properly. Slow down, pause for a moment, and then test the page again. After that, refresh the page. A simple browser refresh can clear a temporary loading problem and reconnect Slack properly. If the page was partially loaded or a request failed in the background, refreshing often forces everything to reload cleanly. Try a normal refresh first, and if needed, do a hard refresh in your browser. If the error is still there, check your internet speed. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick network test. A weak or unstable connection can cause Slack pages to fail, load incorrectly, or return misleading errors like 404. If your connection is slow or unstable, that may be the real reason Slack isn't responding the way it should. Then, switch networks if possible. Try changing from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes, the problem is not Slack itself, but the network you're using. A different connection can help you confirm whether the issue is tied to your internet provider, router, or local network settings. If you've gone through all of these steps and Slack is still showing the error, try signing out and signing back in, or wait a little longer and test again later. In most cases though, one of these quick fixes will get you back into Slack without needing anything complicated. So to recap, wait 30 to 60 seconds, reduce request frequency, refresh the page, check your internet speed, and switch networks if needed. Those simple steps solve most Slack error 404 issues fast. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.